So we're going to be looking at 3 red sodas. 2 of them are cherry, which should be an interesting experience because cherry isn't a flavor we don't have very often. So first we're going to look at Red Ribbon. This has a cherry supreme soda, in case that mattered. So first, definitely a strong cherry smell. And this perfectly captures the taste of a cherry. Goes down really well. Nice smooth texture. I'd say an S tier. So next we have Americana Cherry Cola. It says it's handcrafted, sweetened with pure cane sugar. So compared to the Red Ribbon, it has more of a cola smell. Not really sure what to make of the taste. It's kind of like it's trying to be both, but doesn't really draw out either of them fully. Kind of confused. Doesn't really taste that great. D tier. Finally, we have Dublin, Texas Red Cream Soda. Dublin, Texas being the brand here. So first the smell. Red creams, definitely smells creamy. Definitely more of a creamy taste, but almost a little too creamy because I can't really taste much of anything else. Like maybe a hint of cherry flavor. It's not bad, but it's gonna be better. C, like a solid C. So Red Ribbon was clearly the winner of the 3. I definitely want to get more of that in the future. Hopefully there will be other good cherry sodas that we can try in the future.